the world is changing. From electric vehicles on the road to ships gliding over the ocean and planes soaring through the skies, electric transportation is becoming the future of mobility. It's cleaner, greener, and more sustainable. But there's one major hurdle that could slow down this revolution: battery life. While electric technology promises a future with zero emissions and fewer pollutants, the batteries that power these systems have a limitation. They wear out over time. Today, most electric vehicles, ships, and even aircraft rely on lithium-ion batteries. These batteries have a limited lifespan, measured in charge cycles, and after a certain number of charges, their efficiency starts to drop. As a result, the range decreases, and the need for battery replacement becomes inevitable. On average, lithium-ion batteries start to lose capacity after 500 to 1,500 charge cycles, which could be as short as 3 to 5 years of use. This is a major downside for consumers, especially when the cost of replacing batteries can be substantial. But it's not all doom and gloom. There's hope on the horizon. Researchers and innovators are working on new battery technologies that could change everything. For example, solid-state batteries promise a much longer lifespan, greater energy density, and increased safety. These batteries could last longer and require fewer replacements, making electric transportation more practical and affordable in the long run. Another promising solution is battery recycling. As the demand for electric vehicles grows, so does the need for sustainable recycling methods. Using the materials in old batteries, we can reduce the environmental impact of mining new resources like lithium and cobalt. Some companies are also looking at battery swapping stations, where drivers can exchange their depleted battery for a fully charged one in just a few minutes. This could help keep electric transportation running smoothly without the need for long downtime. Fast charging technology is also improving. With more efficient and faster charging systems, the wear on batteries could be reduced, allowing them to last longer while making the charging process quicker and more convenient. And it's not just about batteries. Manufacturers are focusing on longer-lasting, durable electric vehicles, ships, and an aircraft that are designed to handle the wear and tear over time. The aviation industry is pushing boundaries and exploring the possibility of hybrid systems. The electric revolution is here. And while battery life remains a challenge, it's a problem that is being actively addressed. From new battery technologies to better recycling methods, the future of electric transportation is brighter than ever. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the world of electric innovation.